One of the biggest lies in marketing is this. Once you find a winning ad, your business is set. That's absolutely wrong. I've seen ads generated thousands of leads, then suddenly the leads become more expensive. Quality drops, sales stop, and then business owner says, Facebook stopped working. The algorithm has changed. There is some problem in my account. No, that's not the reason. The reason is your ad got old. Today I'll explain why great ads eventually dies and what smart businesses do instead. Hi, I am Vinay Lakhotia. Welcome to LDOS. Every week I meet business owners who tell me, Vinay, last month my ads were amazing. This month they are terrible. Then they ask me, what button have changed inside the meta? Nothing changed. You have to understand this. The platform didn't suddenly become bad. Your market changed. Your audience changed. Your competitors changed. And your marketing stayed the same. That's the real problem. The biggest mistake, business owners think marketing is like building a house. You build it once, finished. Marketing doesn't work like this. Marketing is not a construction. Marketing is farming. Every week you plant, you observe, you remove weeds, you improve, you harvest. Then you plant again. Imagine it is a farmer said, I planted wheat 5 years ago. Why should I plant again? This is something ridiculous. But that's exactly how businesses treat advertising. They create one creative, one headline, one offer, one landing page, and they expect to work forever. How is it possible? Why ad stops working? At LDOS, Lead to Deal Operating System, we teach that there are reasons of every advertising that declines. Let me tell you reason number one. Why ads stop working? At LDOS, Lead to Deal Operating System, we teach that there are 5 reasons every advertisement eventually declines. Reason number one, people have already seen it. The first time someone sees your advertisement, it's new. The 10th time, they always ignore it. Attention decreases, click through rate, CTR always fall, performance will drop, your audience become blind to the message. Reason number two, competitors copy the moment your advertisement start working. Competitors notice everything. Soon everyone is using the same design, the same headline, the same hook, the same offer. Now you don't stand out anymore. You become just another advertisement. Reason number three, customer behavior changes. You have to understand how people are changing. Markets change, technology changes, buying habits change. What worked in the last 6 months doesn't work now, may feel outdated today. Businesses they refuse to evolve eventually disappear. Reason number 4, your offer stops feeling urgent. When customers first see limited time offer, they pay attention. 1 month later, the same limited offer is still running, nobody believes it anymore. Urgency disappears. Trust disappear. Conversions zero disappear. Reason 5, you stop learning. This is the biggest reason most businesses stop testing. They become emotionally attached to one advertisement. Marketing doesn't reward attachments, it rewards experimentations. Let me tell you the marketing cycle of LDOS, Lead to Deal Operating System. At LDOS, we never ask which ad should we run forever. Instead, we ask what should we test this week. This is the algorithm you have to understand. Here's our weekly cycle. Research, create, launch, measure, improve, repeat. Every single week, not every year, not every 6 months, every week. Marketing is a living system. It's not your improving. If you are not improving, you are falling behind. Let me share you the real example. Let's imagine two real estate developer. Developer A creates one advertisement, luxury bedroom, best price, book now. It works well. So he keeps running the same advertisement for 8 months. Gradually, cost per leads double, lead quality drops, sales slow down. Now look at developer B. Every week he tests new headline, new thumbnail, new customer problem, new testimonial, new audience, new offer. After 6 months, developer B has tested over 50 ideas. He doesn't rely on one advertisement. He has already built a testing machine who always win. The businesses that learn faster, you will get the results. The LDOS weekly optimization system is most important part. You have to note it down. This is exactly what we teach inside the LDOS, what I am telling you now. Every week, review these 5 things. Creative. Can we improve the image or video? Second, hook. Does the first 3 seconds stop scrolling? How you will do this? You have to measure. Third, offer. Why should customers act today? Fourth, audience. Are we targeting the right people? Fifth, landing experience. Does the page continue the promise made in the advertisement? If part 1 improves, the entire campaign improves. So, what should be the action plan for this week? Note it. This week, don't create one new campaign, improve your existing one. Ask yourself, can I write a better headline? Can I write a stronger offer? Can I use better customer story? Can I make the first 3 seconds impossible to ignore? Small improvements create massive long-term growth. Let me leave you with this thought. The companies that dominate marketing don't create perfect advertisement. They create perfect learning system because every advertisement has an expiry date. But businesses that know how to test will never run out of winning advertisement. That's why at LDOS, we teach people to chase viral ads. We teach businesses to build a marketing optimization system because market change, customers change, platform change, but your ability to improve should never stop. In the next episode, we will answer one of the biggest question in business: why your product need a UVP, unique value proposition. Because if customer can't explain why you are different, they will always compare you on price.